Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai coconut rice custard recipe, or in Thai we call Kanom Tuay. Another Thai dessert which is traditional served in the small bowl. This soft jelly like treat are divided into two layers, a top and bottom layer, which come together to create delicious sweet and salty flavor. We use green of the Pandan leaf extract in the Kanom Tuay. So I'm gonna use the Pandan leaf about 5 to 10 pieces with 250 grams of the water, or you can use the green Pandan extract so in the bottom, and then put into the food blender and blend it to make the color and smell from the Pandan into the water. Then filtering to obtain the pandan extract. But for this recipe, we use only 200 grams. Start with the bottom layer. Add 200 grams of the coconut milk with the palm sugar 125 grams and mixing until well combined and palm sugar is dissolved. If the palm sugar is difficult to dissolve, you can put in the microwave for 30 seconds to make it more easy to dissolve. In the large bowl, we add 60 grams of the rice flour and 1 tablespoon of tropical starch, and then add a bit of the coconut milk as we mixed before. And then we're gonna knead it for about 3 minutes to make the bottom layer to more sticky when we eat. And continue to add the remaining coconut milk until it's done. After we mix the rest of coconut milk, then add the pandan extract and then stir and strain the mixture to remove any crumbs. In the steamer, pour the water into the steamer and wait until it boils, and then place the small bowl inside the steamer for about 5 minutes. This will help you remove the dessert from the bowl later when finished. Steam the bottom mixture on the high heat. Pour the bottom mixture into each serving bowl until they are about 3/4 full. Steam this mixture for 10 minutes or until the mixture is firm to the touch. For the top layer, in another mixing bowl, add coconut milk, rice flour, and salt, and then stir together until combined. Which we use coconut milk 380 grams, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and then mix it well. This mixture to remove any clumps. Next is steam the top mixture on medium to high heat. Pour the top mixture into the serving bowl until they are all completely full. Let this steam for about 10 minutes. Then remove the bowl from the steamer. And now it's done. And then remove the bowl from the steamer and wait for them to cool before serving. This recipe you can eat from the bowl with the spoon or remove from the bowl altogether. As I told you, this dessert has two layers, the sweet chewy coconut milk based layer on the bottom with the thick coconut milk on top. And it's delicious when we eat together, top and bottom layer, and easy to make with the balance between sweet palm sugar flavor bottom and the salty creamy bottom top. I hope you give this time for this recipe and see you next time.